Good morning. What we have here is a Delta QT-10 table saw. It's a direct drive 10-inch table saw, and I really like it. Apparently QT refers to the fact that it has a quiet motor and a T-square fence. One thing I'm not such a fan about is the fence. It's a great fence, don't get me wrong. It's accurate, it's pretty stiff, but the way that these arms stick out kind of make it difficult. I like to tuck it up in the corner over here, and those arms sticking out make it difficult to do that. So I'm going to put a different fence on it that I had on a different saw, and we are going to see how that works. It's a Stallion fence. It's actually for a bandsaw. I had it on my smaller Delta, well, not smaller, but it was a 10-inch Delta table saw, but it was one of those shop master ones with the plastic bodies. I upgraded to one of these, and I'm pretty happy I did. Okay, so this is how the fence comes when you get it. It's pretty basic. It works pretty good as is, but to get it to work even better, you got to make a little modification. So as you see here, I've added this wooden fence. It kind of lengthens it a bit, but it also gives it a place to ride on the back rail to keep the fence just off the surface of the table saw.
So now, as you can see, it's a bit more compact, but to expand it, it's pretty easy. And you know, it's pretty sturdy, definitely as sturdy as the one I removed.